Hi, I'm Steve Friedman with Rockstar Excel. This is the bonus video to standardizing names in Excel. Here I'll tell you how to convert names into first initial last name format. If you haven't watched the main video about standardizing names already, please make sure to do so. I'm linking to it in the video description. We're starting with first and last names in separate columns. If you're starting with your names in a different format, see the main video on how to convert them into this format. From here, you want to use the left function, which takes the leftmost characters in a text string. So you do equals left parentheses, then select this, and then comma 1, close parentheses, and quote, period, space, close quote, and then the last name. Then just fill this down and you're done. So that's easy enough. Now obviously you can't convert from this format to any of the others because you don't have the full first name. But if you're starting with this format and you want to extract the last name, you can use the mid function. The mid function extracts text strings starting at a certain point in the string. So from here you can do equals mid parentheses and then select this, and then you're going to do 4 because you're going past the first initial, then the period, and then the space, and you're starting with the fourth character here, which is the first letter in the last name, and then comma, and then you're just going to put in some arbitrarily large number like 500, close parentheses. And then you just double click to fill this down. And that 500 there is just, you want to have a number that's more than however many characters there could possibly be in the last name. Then you've got the last names, and if you see here, they match up to your original. This was the bonus video on how to handle first initial last name format. Once again, I'm Steve Friedman with Rockstar Excel. Please like, subscribe, check out rockstarexcel.com, and do all the stuff I said in the main video. And please keep watching and sending me your questions so I can show you how to be an Excel rockstar.